A civil authority has issued a food contamination warning for the following counties or areas. Connecticut, at 1:35 am on March 6, 2018, effective until 10 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the EAS Consumer Product Safety Commission. Over the past several hours, multiple reports came in about a possible contamination of multiple blueberry-related products. Multiple blueberry products are believed to be contaminated with an unknown fungus which causes individual's skin to turn into a bluish-violet-like color, which eventually lead to the individual to experience abnormal bloating to almost hot air balloon-like sizes. At this time, a statewide recall of blueberries and other blueberry-related products will be issued at this time. If you own any blueberries or any blueberry-related products, please return them back into your local supermarket or retailer. If you or a loved one had already consumed a blueberry or related products, please call 911 or a backup number in case the service goes down. Continue to monitor local media sources for more information.